Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin, a plant has a load of 290 kilowatts with an average power factor of 70%. The owner requests you to correct the power factor to reduce its power consumption. How much capacitor keybar is required to increase the power factor to 90%? Okay, let's try to solve this problem using our Caltech solution. So sa calculator nyo, engineers, go to mode 2. Okay? Punta tayo sa ating calculator, enter mode, and then 2 or the complex mode. Then, i-introduce ko sa inyo tong formula na to. C minus A angle F. So, ang tawag ko sa formula na to is the CAP formula. So, for easy memorization of this formula, just remember the word capacitor and replace P by F to make a similar sounding word, capacitor. Okay? So, para mas madali natin matandaan, kailangan lang natin tandaan yung word na capacitor. So, that is C minus A angle of F. Then, after that, input natin to sa ating calculator. So, absolute value of capacitor formula, that is C minus A angle of variable F. Then after natin ma-input yung ating formula, enter calc button. So enter natin yung calc button, magtatanong ng value ng C. C, A, at saka F. So for variable C, input natin yung power natin divided by the first power factor or the original power factor. So we have 290 divided by 70%. Then sa variable A natin, input natin yung power divided by the new power factor or yung corrected power factor na, which is 90%. So we have 290 divided by 90%. And then sa variable F natin, is input natin yung difference ng dalawang angle. So we have cosine negative 1 of power factor 1 minus cosine negative 1 of power factor 2. So we have cosine negative 1 of 0.7 minus cosine negative 1 of 0.9. Okay, input natin to sa ating calculator. For variable C, so we have power 290 divided by the original power factor, so which is 0.7 equal. For variable A, so we have 290 divided by the corrected power factor, which is 0.9. And then for variable F, so i-correct lang natin to, engineers. So this is variable F. So for variable F is the difference between the two angles. So we have cosine negative 1 of the first power factor minus cosine negative 1 of the corrected power factor. So we have cosine negative 1, 0.9. So equal natin. So yung makukuha nating result dito is 155.4 kbars. And that is letter B. So we have 155.39 or 155.4. So dito na magtatapos yung ating video. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. See you next time.